today we are going to play handball. If you never played it, it's a fun game, and a friend of mine, a YouTuber of mine, he told me the game. So let's get into handball. I hope you like this video because I want to make it more of this video, and it will look good. So you should be awesome for making this video. So we have to spin this around like that. So we I got 400 money. So let's play. No, no thank you. Let's play with these guys. So I completed the beginners, 6 matches. So let's play. Let's start the match. No, let's play offline. If you like the video, then I'm gonna do season. So let's continue off this guy. I'm gonna try to win, defend 32 operators and win. Okay. Let's have giant player, freeze, and clone. So we do that because I'm not unfair. Let's make my clone. Let's do that. Well done for scoring, you're a good boy. Let's score it in, and I hope I win. Score it in. Oh, I nearly won this game. If I win this game, then I'll be happy. So I better win this game. Sorry off the background. That was unfair. I was jumping. Oh, boy. Let's hit it. I think this play is good. Let's hit it in let's hit it in his goal like that, and hopefully he goes over. If you don't know, if you go by here too long, you get freezed. So how to get out? You need to kick it like that. Keep kicking it till you get out. That's how you get not be stuck by the ice. Look, I'll show you. We got loads of minutes. Ooh. We got 8 minutes to play this game, and I'm winning. So that's good. And I already won. So that should be cool. I won this guy. So I'm excellent. Leave a like, subscribe, and comment in my video. If you want to see more, leave a like and tell me what video you want to see. And peace! Bye!